Hello everyone, my name is Ajay and in this video we will see how we can install Plesk server on DigitalOcean. So let's get started. First we will log in on to a DigitalOcean account and we will get some dashboard something like this. On the left sidebar we have the project names. So let me create a separate project for the Plesk server. Let me rename it Plesk. And the purpose web application, I will keep the description empty. Let's click create project, skip this for now. Now in this project I will spin up a new separate droplet and install the Plesk server. So let's spin up a new droplet. Let's wait for a while. So we are on the create droplet page. From here we will choose the region which is closer to us. For now I am choosing Bangalore and scroll down, choose an image. I will just click on marketplace and from here search Plesk and scroll down. There is Plesk Elma Linux. Click on it and select it. Scroll down. From the CPU I am going with the regular one and the 4 GB RAM and 80 GB SSD, and this distribution you selected requires an SSH key for the connection. I do have that SSH key, but let me select if we have other options. Yeah, we have this option. Let me go back to and select the Plesk without Alma Linux. Yeah, it's selected. And let me see if we are getting the password option. Yeah, we are getting the password option here. So let me add the password. So here is the password. Everything is okay. Let's click on create droplet. So droplet is getting created. We will have to wait for a while. So here is the droplet and it seemed to have created. Let's click on get started and see the options available. So let me open this in the URL and see what we are getting. We are not getting anything as such. So let's log in this to the terminal and see the options. SSH root at this, yes, and the password is this one. So it says run the following command in the terminal: sudo plesk login. Let me copy it and run. So let's open this in the URL in the browser, sorry. Click on advanced and click proceed. So here is the Plesk setup page. Let me enter the email and let's generate the password here. Let me copy it. Yeah, I will reset the password on the, let's keep it as such, and let me copy it and paste on the Sublime editor. Plesk login, enter Plesk. So Plesk is getting set up. So the Plesk is now installed on our server on the DigitalOcean. So our next step is pointing domain to this Plesk server. So how we can do this? So let's jump to the domain registrar. For now I am using GoDaddy, and here from the domain registrar. But before going to, let's jump back to the DigitalOcean and click on three dots here and click on add domain, and I will be using this domain worksuite.info. We enter it and add domain. So this has given me name server, three name servers, NS1 DigitalOcean, NS2 DigitalOcean, NS3. So all these three name server we will be adding on the GoDaddy. In the name server, click on change name server, and if you are starting it, then it will be showing GoDaddy name server. Just select I will use my own server and enter this DigitalOcean name server and click save. I have already added it, so I am not adding it again. So let's jump to Worksuite info, and here we will be adding add record, a record as add, and pointing this to Plesk server. Create record, and also all the subdomains to be pointing to same Plesk server. Create record, and then now we will have to wait for some hours for the DNS propagation. So the DNS propagation takes effect, and we can see the domain opening the Plesk server. Meanwhile, let's open this in a URL and see what we are getting. So as you can see, we are getting the Plesk server. So it seems the DNS propagation has taken place. So on the domain, so here we will go to domains, add the domain, and it will be blank website, and here we will be entering worksuite.info and assign keep it as such, add domain. So let me click the dashboard here, and from here we'll go to files, and here is the index file. Let me remove everything from here and enter welcome and save and resume, and let me open again the Worksuite info and see if we are getting anything or not. So as you can see, we are getting welcome, which we just added on the code editor. So in this video we have seen how we can install Plesk server on DigitalOcean, how we can map the domain to that Plesk server, and also we have also seen how the domain is mapped first to the DigitalOcean and then to the Plesk server. So if you still have any query, comment down and I will try to reply to all your queries. Thank you.